I'm Shivashankari.
I'm Rama.
I'm Ahaliya Udayan-VII.
We are studying 7th standard in Sri Shankara Academy Metric High Secondary School. Nowadays, noise pollution are increased due to the increase of vehicles. When a teacher is taking class, while she turns to write something on the board, the students will talk. Then she has to instruct the students, keep quiet, keep it. For that, we have bring you a solution today. The name of the application is Noise Detector.
Solution is to help to solve this problem, we bring to you today a noise detector. This device notifies user whenever it detects loud noise. When the sound crosses a certain limit and it produces a beep sound.
Our project can be used in libraries, schools and hospitals.
This is the home screen. In the home screen we have changed the background color and we have added the label in the home screen. The value of the label is 0. It depends upon the voice of the speaker. If a speaker speaks loudly, the value will increase. If a speaker speaks softly, means it will decrease. This speaker speaks very high, means the beep sound will produce, because we have inserted the beep sound in the sound variable. And the sound pressure level, here we have given the code for the sound pressure level. This is the coding for our project. When the sound pressure level was updated, the value in the text box will increase based upon the decibels. If the value is greater than or equal to 80, then the beep sound will play.
We can give built in that you have to select Android app, then it will download the QR code. Now the QR code is appear in our screen. Then in your mobile you have to install MIT AI2 companion. Then we want to scan the QR code using that app.